Okay, so now that you've read the article and you have submitted your questions, the answers to the article questions, I just want to let you know that the article that you read was actually an interpretation of the American culture. Nasarima is American, spelled backwards, and also there are words in the article that indicate that there are other things that are spelled backwards, like Latisco is hospital or hospital spelled backwards. So it's sort of an interesting way of looking at the American culture from an outsider's point of view. And in fact, it sort of gives an opportunity to talk about this issue of ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism is the tendency to view one's own culture as the best and to judge other cultures in comparison to it. So you can tell the person that might have written this article is someone maybe from a tribal, small, communal-based culture and is looking at the American culture from that point of view. So again, this is something that we do in a very common way, that when we visit other cultures or when we visit environments that are very different from ours, we tend to look through our own culture in order to divine what's happening out there. So hopefully this gives you an interesting insight into how an outsider might look at American culture, and then also how do we get at what's actually happening in the culture? How do we stand inside the culture without, looking at it through our own culture? Can we, step outside of that to really see what's happening there? So for the last bit of this, it's a very quick thing I want you to do is go ahead and answer the following questions, and then we'll be done for today. And then submit this in lecture-based assignment number 3B in the assignment section. Okay, question number 1, identify Nasarima rituals with your own. Then last question, how does this article relate to the concept of ethnocentrism? Again, talk about this issue of ethnocentrism in regards to your own reaction to the article. So go ahead and briefly answer those questions, submit them in the assignment section, and that will be all for today.